The focus of this video is how to factorize the following trinomial: x squared minus 16x plus 7. The first thing you will notice that it looks like it cannot be factorized, and hence we will use completing the square. In order to do completing the square, the first thing you need to look at is the coefficient of x squared. You need to check that that is 1. In this case, it is 1. Next step, I look at the coefficient of x. That's 16. So in my next step, I'll rewrite the x squared minus 16x. But then I add, and it must always be add first, half of the 16. So I go 16 divided by 2 and then square. What I add, I need to subtract to keep it equal. So I subtract the 16 over 2 squared and just bring down this plus 7 to the end. The next step, since you've done completing the square now, the first 3 terms will be a perfect square trinomial. We factorize them by taking the square root of the first term, so square root of x squared is an x, the minus from the middle there, and then the square root of 16 over 2 squared. So the square is gone, and 16 over 2 is 8, and then squared. Then I work out the minus 16 over 2, which is 8 squared, which is 64, and then plus 7. Then I can add up the pieces that's outside the bracket. So minus 64 plus 7 is minus 57. Now I've created a difference of 2 squares. So I take the square root of the first term, that means drop the square. Square root of 57, which is just square root 57. Put that into 2 brackets. And in one bracket, you put a minus in front of the square root, and the other one a plus. Thank you.